Welcome back, YouTubers. Welcome back. We're doing a tutorial on KiCad 8. So let's see what we have for today. Let me show you about KiCad. So we have you're using 8.05 for this version. So we are going to the schematic, and basically we are going to add a symbol. So the schematic is the representation of why you're trying to do. uh, so the schematic is representing what the physical is going to be. Okay, so there's different symbols for components. So over here we have different libraries. You had the 74 family. This is the digital part, and so there's different components, electronic components here, like amplifiers, competitors, buffer. So depending what you're gonna make, you know, driver display. Look at this driver displays. There's different kinds, and so what the driver FFD? Look, there's different like that. Driver motor. Um, so it depends what you're trying to build, accomplish. You pick. Let's look fiber optics. Let's see what do we have here. We have this symbol, and we got that symbol. So let's see. I pick this one, a horizontal tile, vertical. So let's say I pick this. Okay, let's for the hell of it. Okay, so now that's our schematic, and let's say I want to wire this up. I just want to select this pin. I'm gonna go right click, add pin headers, and I'm gonna select a hierarchical label, net label wire. So let's collect that one, and let's pull it out, and let's do the same thing for the other ones. So let's select that, right click, bring headers, and we're gonna pull them out. There you go. And the last one here, select that pin, headers. There you go. All right, so it's finished. Now we're gonna more information about it. Show data sheet. That brings us the data sheet of that. So it says Broadcom. This is a link fiber optic transmitter and receiver, 1 millimeter POF. These are all the specifications of that device. Okay, good. All right, so we have the specs. And now we are going to tools, update from the schematic. We're gonna say update and close it. Look. So this is what it looks like, our symbol. And let's do a 3D view and see if that component has a 3D view component, and it does. That's how it looks like now. All right, at bore, so we're gonna do the edge cuts. And let's do a round circle just to have, all right, let's say we do that. And that should give us, all right, let's say we do that. All right. And now we'll go to view, 3D viewer, and that's all we have here. So that's coming from the top, the connection, fiber optic right there, right? Now, is this the only thing you need to make it work? No. But I don't like the footprint, so I gotta go to the symbol, the vertical. I'm gonna change it to horizontal. So now let's see how that footprint looks like. Save it. I'm gonna save it, and then I go tools, update. Now let's see this footprint. And go to view, 3D. Okay, so now this one is showing the whole coming this way. Okay, that might be what you want, or maybe not. Now, another thing, if you look at here, we can take the component out of it. Okay, here we go, through. So you see, that's your seal screen, all this right in here. So when you put it in, it's covering that line. So you want something like that. Okay, now, is that gonna work just like that? No, you need more components to make it work. So we're gonna go show data sheet. Okay, so what do you need that to make it work? Okay, let's give you an example. Sometimes they give you some example of connections, typical application. No, so what I see. Oh, here you go. Look, so you can do this circle right here. So you got ground, titular input, pull down resistor 4.7. Okay, so we're gonna make this TTL input, TTL output, recommended transmitter and receiver application circuit. So this is a typical input output TTL. Okay. So that looks like it's enough. These two circuits looks the same, 10 microfarad, 10 microfarads, and they have a pull down resistor of 4.7. That goes to the input, and the output, TTL output, that can go somewhere else. Okay. So now I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it in my other screen so I can copy that schematic. And so now I'm going to take, it says here, a capacitor. So I put a capacitor, small. Okay, what kind of footprint I want? A hand solder like that. 603, let's say I'm going to do a 805 hand solder. That looks like that. All right, and I assign it, and I'm going to say this is going to be, the value is going to be 0.1 microfarad, 0.1 microfarads. Okay, so that's one component, and the other one is going to be same thing, control copy, control V, but now the value for this one is going to be, the value for that one is going to be 10 microfarads. 10 microfarads, okay. And we need a 1 microhenry inductor, so we're going to go components, inductor, and we're going to do a L small, just L small, okay, L couple, no, that's small. What kind of footprint I want? I want an 805 on saddle, okay. So now that's gonna go, so R for rotate, I'm gonna take R. Now I'm gonna copy this one more time, copy, control V. All right, so I have that. All right, what else do I need? A pull down resistor, 4.7. All right, so we're gonna give a value to this inductor. Double click. What's the value for that? It's gonna be 1 microhenry. H. Okay. So I got that. Now, from there, now I'm gonna show you something. Now, what I have as a symbol, I want you to take a look at this. Look, this symbol, that symbol, look at it, it's a little bit different from what you have right there, you see? So maybe we want to emulate that symbol over here. Now, this is the default symbol they give us, but sometimes it makes sense to use what they have, see? So that's the actual representation. If you look at 3BE, 4 data in, and ground. AM5 is ground. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do? So this one, HP, AM5, where's that? 5, HP, data in. Okay, so if I take the schematic, where does the schematic go? Here. Okay, so I got the schematic on top. Now here. All right, so I got 8 and 5 as ground, but I don't see A here. So maybe it's hidden. So edit symbol library. Let's go to edit symbol library and see what, maybe somebody hidden here. Okay, that's, all right. So I see 2 not connected. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's their symbol. So I don't see 8. All right, so this symbol This is our default symbol, but the reality is different. So if you look at the footprint has these two holes, which in the schematic is showing as ground. So let me see what I put when I put phi to ground. So if we go to here, so now let's put our ground and let's put it on phi of power, and we're going to put a ground. Let's the ground here. And now we're going to take this HP out of the equation here, delete. And now we're going to put the ground, save it. And let's look at tools update. So that should update. Okay, firing a, okay. All right, so, and these extra components are coming in from our schematic. Sorry, MM for move. All right, so what else I'm missing? So pull down resistor, let me see, let's go to a schematic here again. And let me put a resistor, and it is a R. No variable, no, it's just a R. And we're gonna put a 4.7 kilo ohm. Right, do I like that? No, I don't like that one. So let's do resistor R RUS, so with the wiggly lines, okay. Now I'm gonna delete this, delete that one, and we're gonna call R1. The value is gonna be 4.7 k ohms, 4.7 k ohms. And what I want to do, all right, I want to show you pin 3 is grounded. P3 is not grounded. Okay, so this will be recommended transmitter and receiver application circuit. So we're working on the receiver side. On the receiver side, it says, so 4 not connected. So 4 is going to be connected here. So I have a pull down in the data in, and then a cap. All right, control copy, control B. Okay, so this is what's happening. I'm taking this line that goes to there, and then from here goes here, goes here, goes here, goes here, and then from here goes data in. Okay, and then the other cap comes here, connects to that one, then from here to this, from there to there to there, and then we have the ground. Control B. All right, so now, so this is our receiver. So that will be our receiver. So if I go to ground, 1. Oh, my bad, my bad. Okay, so I made a mistake here. So this not it's not connected to there. This over here. That's gonna be BCC. Okay, so that connect here, and then from here we're gonna go to pin 1. All right, so that's that. What else I'm missing? BEET, which is pin 3. Pin 3 is grounded. All right, so for this example, that's gonna be deleted. It's deleted, and that's gonna be connected to ground. Boom. Okay, so TX TX5, pull down TX. All right, so that's what is showing in the TX transmitter side. All right, so now that I did that, let's do update. Now it's gonna show there's one error. R1 no footprint. Alright, so it says R1 no footprint. Alright, so that's this one. So let's assign a footprint. And I'm gonna put 3 resistors. And we're gonna take a 805 and solder. Okay, and now we should be good. Tools, update, close. So when we drop it, so you see those lines. All right, so data in, so I want 8. So move, rotate, rotate. So let's say when that's somewhere here, and move. Let's see, kind of 4 on the top and the bottom. Kind of where it's going. All right, so that's what we have. All right, so you see these lines here. That's called. Now, if I want to make curve, see a curvature there. So I'm gonna hit that. I don't want to see the redness line. Show redness line. That's show. That's not show. Show. Now I make it curve. That shows the curve right there. All right. So up to this point, we emulate this circuit, right? If you look at it, we did this part of it. I don't know if you could see, but that's the transmit TX. TX is for transmit, RX for receive. So next time, there's not much difference between the transmit and receive. So we can probably make a copy of this 110 BCC. So we can just probably copy and say give it a name. So the name for this is gonna be DX1, right? And then we can copy this whole thing, control copy, and make it here, control V, and everything looks the same. But instead of DX, we're gonna do RX1. Okay, maybe we're gonna change this, add a symbol, add a symbol, where do you go? I want to say instead of DX, I'm going to say RX. Okay, okay, save, save, okay. Okay, so that's the RX. And so the only different part about this is, where is our schematic? Where did it go? Here? Not there. Okay. Where did that go? Alright, so let's do show data sheet. Alright, so we are here. So let me put this up here. So let's do the RX part of it, okay? So let me go up here. And now we're gonna take BEE and ground. BEE and HP grounded. And pin 4 not connected. Delete that. Delete. So C4 goes to delete 1. 1 goes BCT. Okay, 1 data out. And this one goes connected to that one. And then C4 goes to 3. And 3. Okay, so skip that. Delete that. All right, and then 4 not connected, so put a symbol for not connected. Delete that. And this one, we're gonna call that out. Okay, and that's it. 5 goes to ground, 8 to ground. All right, so it looks like we have our main receive, tools, update. We should get a bunch of things here. All right, so now let's view 3D viewer. All right, so we got the TX and the RX. And So maybe we want to put the TX here, the RX here, something like that. So move this one, move here. Now let's select from the schematic. Let's say I want to select this, and okay, so when I go to the layout, let's say move. Okay, I move the pack, move, undo, move, rotate. Round. Okay, move, rotate, then move, something like that. So rearrange in a way that makes sense. So these are TX and these are RX. Okay. Okay, so let's put a still screen. All right, let's do it up to now for this tutorial one. So let's save that. So this is our version, our schematic, and we're gonna save that, and we're gonna stop to this point. So basically, we have duplicated this from the data sheet. Okay, so that's what we did in here. Now we're gonna do to be continued next time. So we have our layout over here, and we're gonna do the layout next time. Okay. So let's see how our bill of materials looks like. Got that. So it says we have, so let's say this. See how it highlights like this one. That's those two there. Okay. So that's the HTML IBOM. All right. So we have accomplished our mission for now, and it's to be continued. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I see you next time.